Well, an update tonight on a local couple just awarded $3 million in damages after a legal nightmare for them.
Yeah, Tali and Julian Wendrow talked to 7 Action News reporter Nu Prakash about this long fight to clear themselves of some horrible accusations.
We knew the truth was on our side, and it's just an enormous relief to be finally able to move on.
As soon as I heard that, this cloud just elevated. It's gone.
Tali and Julian Wendrow feel vindicated now that a jury has sided with them in a wrongful prosecution lawsuit against former Oakland County Prosecutor David Gorsica and former Chief Assistant Prosecutor Deb Carley. Back in 2007, prosecutors alleged Julian Wendrow molested their autistic, nonverbal daughter Aislinn and claimed Tali Wendrow did nothing about it. The charges were dropped after 3 months, but by then the Wendrow's daughter and son had been removed from the home, and Julian and Tali Wendrow had spent time behind bars. And even after they were reunited, the Wendrows say their nightmare wasn't over.
Instead of saying, we made a mistake, we're sorry, they continued to point fingers at us and suggest that something happened and we got away with something.
Even after the charges were dropped?
After the charges were dropped.
The story got national attention and was featured on ABC's 2020. The case was based on allegations that Aislinn, who was 14 at the time, typed the claims of molestation as seen here using a technique called facilitated communication, a controversial method that uses a facilitator's hand to guide the typing.
But they couldn't just say, we made a mistake, this technique didn't work, there was no scientific evidence, there was no medical evidence. They did the opposite. They lied to the public. They said medical evidence alone isn't enough. There wasn't any medical evidence, David Gorsica and Deborah Carley, and you know it. So don't go out to the public because you made a mistake and try to suggest that a loving, wonderful family are a bunch of abusers. It's ridiculous.
After a month-long trial, a jury awarded $3 million in damages to the Wendrows. With their lawyers by their side today, the Wendrows said they can finally exhale and look forward to moving on as a family.
Thank God we come out of it, you know, I won't say unscathed, we certainly scathed, but we're very close as a family and we will heal.
In Bloomfield Hills, Nu Prakash, 7 Action News.
Well, we reached out to former prosecutors Gorsica and Carley for comment, but have not heard back as of yet.